Hello everyone, I'm going to show you transporter, VW transporter. It's 2015 64 plate. T5.1 shuttle, long wheelbase. Actually replacing the main thermostat, engine thermostat, coolant temperature thermostat, whatever. What you need to do, bring the pump down first, remove the electric coolant pump with the bracket. Okay, you need to remove the engine mounting. That's the engine mounting fitting with the 316mm screw bolt onto the block, and that's the other mounting. So I'm gonna show you the in there. That's the thermostat housing. The fitting with the 210mm screw. One is there, one is on top line. So it's joined to the hose pipe and behind the oil cooler. Actually, what I need to do, I'm just going to disconnect pipe and open the thermostat. Thank you. Hello, this is the second video for the VW transporter thermostat location. Actually, a little bit tricky to take it out because I have to be moving this way then take it out. But make sure when you order the thermostat, there's the ring seal for that pipe. Make sure order this pipe before you open it up. Replace the pipe, because if you're leaking from there, you never know, then may need to all the job again. So this is the seal. You can see the seal. I ordered it. I ordered the thermostat from dealer. And this is the thermostat housing. This is the thermostat housing. And brand new from main dealer. And that's the seal I'm talking about. Make sure replacing that seal, otherwise maybe the job is going to double again. Anyway, thank you very much. Good luck.